Hi everybody, it's Austin over at Homeowners Financial. Thanks again for taking the time to watch this video. The whole point of these is though that you have 22 years of brain power, of knowledge, of expertise, and of going through some crazy stuff in these crazy markets to be at your level so you understand. And today we're going to talk about what goes into a pre-approval. So first off, I hope you will subscribe. I hope these are beneficial to you. There's things below. You can link and click and stuff. Yay, that's my technology term. But what goes into a pre-approval and what are you really looking for? So when we first meet with clients, we want to know the why. Like, why are you doing this, right? Having a different conversation to set up that, hey, I need to use every cash I have to buy something so we can fix it up for our dream home is different than I'm selling a house and I really just want a low payment because it's going to be my 30-year home, right? Those are different conversations. So when we first start with a pre-approval, we got to talk about what are your goals, right? Then we need to verify. There's 4 boxes that goes into a loan: income, assets, property, and credit. Now, we don't know the property. That's why it's a pre-approval. There is not a property as of yet, typically for most situations, right? But the income, what is your income? How have you earned this? What is the consistency of it going forward? Do you need a 2-year history? Has it changed from bonus to commission to RSU? Do you earn overtime? Do you get hazard pay as a nurse right now with COVID, right? What is your income? Where is it? What is underwriting going to look at it? And how do we support it for your ability to repay? We got to look at those assets side. Where's the money coming from? Do you need reserves? Do you need money on hand after closing to qualify for that loan product to do 5% down? Do you need it to qualify for a jumbo loan? Do you not need it because you're doing 3% down on conventional, right? Where is the money coming from? Is it allowed? Is it sourced? And how much do we have? The next level, of course, is credit. And I'm gonna do a lot of credit classes on this because it's a whole just crazy big ball of wax. And I feel like credit is so commoditized, right? There's a purple cow that's like, oh, you can get 5 points on your score. And you're like, cool, you still don't care, right? Because that's not the scored lender's pool, or that's not going to get you on a tiered up, right? So let's talk about credit. It's not just your score. It's the depth of your credit history. How many trade lines, right? Do you have a Visa, MasterCard, a student loan, a car loan, right? How deep is this credit? How is it reporting? Are you deferred in your student loan payments, right? Did you have a short sale because you co-signed on your parents 5 years ago? How deep is that? Because if you're looking online and you're saying, oh, I just want an interest rate, that's not reflective of your reality. The reason you do a pre-approval is so that there's a commitment behind it. When people say, I just need a letter, I say, then you do not need a lender. If you just need a letter, then go ahead, commit fraud, put it on a piece of paper. But a true pre-approval says, we can get this done in the timeframes that we've committed to, in the structure that we've committed to. Because the last time I checked, most people don't live their lives being like, oh, let me just look up some guidelines and see if I should make that decision. No, we live our lives outside of the box. And lending is very much into the box. So when we're talking about a pre-approval, we're looking at the income, we're looking at the assets, we're looking at the credit, because again, we don't have that property yet, but we're looking at you. We're looking at your life, your history, your goals, and we're putting that into a package, and we're taking those with different rates and different investors and figuring out what the best thing that we can get for you is. So when you're talking about a pre-approval, it's more than just a sheet of paper. Your life isn't a sheet of paper. Committing to you is a true honor, it's a true depth, and that's what we're putting together. So thanks so much for taking the time today. I'm Austin at Homeowners Financial. I hope you will subscribe. Again, linkity, clickety, clickety, click, and I'll see you next week. Have a great day. Bye.